Okay, finding the slope graphically. So, draw a line represents the rise and the run. So this one's just a little weird. Sometimes people don't understand like the technical side of this one. So again, first of all, you got to find 2 points that are on the crosshairs. As you like travel down the line, like this is on the crosshairs, meaning it's right at an intersection, an actual number. If you pick this, it's not exactly on the crosshairs, so you need to do a decimal or something, which you can't really do. So you pick one that's on the crosshairs like this. Now they want to go rise and run. So they don't want you to just go from here. This is what people do a lot of times. Like that's not what they want. So I'm gonna get rid of that point. In fact, I'll get rid of that line. Just click it, it's gone. So I go from here. They're like, if you're only traveling on the horizontal and vertical lines, how do you get to that next point, which is right here at 4, 4? So I have to go up to 4. It makes a line. And the question is if I have to tap this again, I forget. Let's say I tap it again, and then go to here. Great. That's what they want. And then the slope of that line is just going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 1, 2, 3, 4. So the slope of the line is 5 over 4. So you would just write 5 over 4, 5/4. All right, that's all they want for that one. Next one, finding the slope for points. What is the slope of the line that passes through the points -7, -2, and okay. So this is the x's minus over the y's minus. So this is your y, and it doesn't matter the order that you go as long as you start from the same one. I'm gonna just start from this one. So I'm gonna go there. So I'm gonna go -2 minus -22. Remember, the slope formula has a minus built into it. And I'll do this even in red. The bottom, x1 minus x2. So this is going to be, now for this one again, I started here, I have to start here also. So it's going to be -7 minus -22. I would, when you do this, include that minus in there and then just simplify it after that. So this is -2 plus 22 over -7 plus 22, which is going to be it's going to be 20 over 15. Now I'm kind of curious, I want to see, that reduces because it's divisible by 5 over 5. I kind of want to test it, but I'll let you test it if you want. 4 over 3. Again, we got those the non-graphing calculators. You're welcome to use those for this. I don't know if, yeah, they'll simplify fractions. I'll check it in a second, but I'm sure they do. That's your answer. You got to simplify it. I don't know if Delta will mark it wrong on the quiz, but you're not gonna, just make sure to simplify it. So next one, standard to slope. Okay, so this again is, we're getting y alone. Put it into slope-intercept form. Into slope-intercept form. So that means basically get y alone. So we're going to subtract 12x from both sides. So we get -20y equals -12x minus 40. Divide everything by -20. And we get y equals -12 over 20x minus 40 over 20. And again, you got to minus negative. Oh, so it's going to be. Sorry, these are plus because everything's positive. So it's positive. You got to reduce. So this is going to be divisible by 4. So it's 3 over 5x and then plus 2. And that's what you got to write in there. That's that one. I'm going to leave that one up there. We'll pause here. And then I'll show you the next few.